Hey guys, how's it going? Got another cool box to unbox today. So, what I've gotten here is pretty unique. You don't see a lot of them. It's another kind of a rare, odd horn. So anyway, let's go ahead and pop it open. I've had this also, like a bunch of my other packages. I've had it sitting here in front of me for quite a while and been wanting to open it, but I hadn't had time to do the video, so I've been staring at it. So we finally getting to pop it open. This also came from the same collector as you've seen me unboxing some of my other stuff. You know, he's downsizing quite a bit, so fortunately I've been able to grab quite a few of the horns he has for sale. So that's some hardware. Let's see. Here's a bell. Go ahead and pop this one out. So we've got a two-piece welded bell. This is a square 31, two-piece welded 31. So pretty cool horn. It is painted yellow, and I do know that the original paint, well, that's under this yellow was yellow. It was originally yellow, and I think it was just, I guess, really bad, really rough paint. So he repainted it yellow, which is, you know, whatever. That's good. So anyway, two-piece 31. And next, we've got a square 37. So this is just your square 37. So that's that. So you got a square 7, two-piece 31. Next, we've got, let's see, looks like a power chambers in here. Got a bronze tabby power chamber. And that is not a pressed-in nozzle. So that would be on the newer side of your power chambers. The pressed-in nozzles on your bronze power chambers were the oldest. So here we've got the manifold. If I can get it out of here. Alright, two chime. This is a two chime. So here's the manifold. There is no tag on this manifold. The horn, this horn actually is originally a S2B. So that is, I think S2B. That's a 31 and a 37 S2B. So originally this was an S2B, and I'll put the name of the railroad up that this belonged to. I can't remember it off the top of the head. But the tag is missing. It is like near impossible to find S2B tags. So unfortunately it's not on here, but you know, that's all right. We still get to hear what it sounds like. And then we've got one more power chamber in here. So let's get it out of here. There we go. So here's the other bronze tabby power chamber. Put this box down. So anyway, this is an S2B. So pretty cool horn. I don't have an S2B. I have an S2A. I have an S2M. And my S2M actually has a two-piece 31 on it also. Y'all haven't seen it yet. It hasn't been on the channel. And then now we have this S2B. So I believe the only legit two-chime Leslie horn that was left was an S2D, and I believe it actually ran dual 37s. So it really sounded like a single chime just because it had two 37s on it. But anyway, so I will get this together and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, we've got it together. So this is the S2B. Like I said, it's got the two-piece 31 and then the square 37. That's what it looks like from the side. A lot of people don't like your two chime horns. They just don't play a really great chord, but they do sound good, and I'm a fan of the two chimes. I like them all. I mean, I even like single chimes. But anyway, so there it is from the back. Got your bronze tabby power chambers. Like I said, this is 1950 through like 1957. After 57, you went to aluminum power chambers. So anyway, y'all will be seeing this pretty soon. I'll have a more in-depth video of it up with the run by and static test. So anyway, y'all be looking for that, and we'll see you on the next one.